Let's say your attorney filed a claim for a vaccine injury and you prevailed, proving the covered vaccine was the cause of your illness or was the cause of the death of your loved one. What types of compensation would you or the estate be entitled to? There are 3 types of compensation you may be entitled to due to a vaccine injury. First, there's past and future medical costs. Second, lost past and future wages. And third, pain and suffering. For past and future medical costs, there is no limit for the amount of money you can be awarded, but these medical costs must be proven to the court or agreed to in settlement. These costs may include hospital fees, rehabilitation costs, medical treatment costs, equipment costs, prescription drugs, and home health aides. In some cases, if the injury was relatively minor, the award to reimburse medical costs could be in the tens of thousands. However, if a child or an adult suffered a permanent injury requiring constant and lifelong medical services or custodial care, the award for past and future medical costs could be in the tens of millions. The Vaccine Injury Trust Fund is a multi-billion-dollar fund created from a 75-cent excise tax on each and every vaccine dose administered. As a result, it is fully funded, and payments for past and future medical care are based on your lifelong needs as proven in court, not on any arbitrary limit. The second category of payment you may be entitled to receive is compensation for lost past and future wages. Perhaps the vaccine injury caused you to no longer be able to do the job you've trained most of your life for, or the pain is too great to continue working. Perhaps your doctor gave you medical advice to stop working because of your vaccine injury. These and other factors may justify an award compensating you for lost wages, both past and future. There is no limit to an award of past or future lost wages, but the causation and the amount does need to be proven. The third type of compensation is reimbursement for pain and suffering. No matter what the injury or circumstances, by law, there is a limit to the amount you can receive for actual and future pain and suffering, and that limit is $250,000. In circumstances where a loved one has passed away, entitlement to compensation is more limited. The estate may be entitled to a death benefit of up to $250,000. Prior pain and suffering and other forms of compensation are not permitted. The estate is only permitted the death benefit of up to $250,000. Finally, attorney's fees and costs are also compensable. As long as the petition for a vaccine injury or death had a reasonable basis, the claimant is entitled to recover their reasonable attorney's fees and costs and litigation expenses. But don't worry. By statute, an attorney hired to represent a claimant for vaccine injury or death is not permitted to take money in any form, whether directly or via contingency fee from a claimant. So if you believe you have a claim for a vaccine injury or death, visit our website at vaxinjurylaw.com. That's vaxinjurylaw.com for more information. Fill out our simple Vax Injury form or call us and talk to a knowledgeable vaccine attorney today.